Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Highlight Bilungi. Thanks for always come back and watch my videos. In case you're new on this channel, you're most welcome. Kindly consider subscribing and smash the notification bell button so that you can always be the first one notified whenever I upload a new amazing video like this one. In today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you how to boil the best chicken, the best way to boil chicken. Exactly, that's what I'm gonna show you. In this way, if you boil it this way, you can even eat it without doing anything. Like you can make your rice separate, somewhere separate, like mine I made already there, and then you take soup and eat. It will be delicious and yummy. So this is what I'm going to show you. These are ingredients. The first step all we need is this 1 spoon of butter. We do it first. And the chicken, before I go any further, let me tell you what I did to my chicken. I marinated this chicken last night and then I kept it in the fridge. So it's a high time now to get it out and then do the process. I used pepper, some garlic, two lemon, and onion powder and garlic powder. Then I mixed all of them together. That's what and some salt, a little bit of salt. That's what I used to marinate this. So this next day I'm going to boil it. How to boil? Watch. All you need is this pan, higher the heat, and then you just add this 1 spoon of butter. And then after the butter melting, you add your chicken, your marinated chicken, like this. And then you keep it until it changes the color. You have to keep it this side, and then when the downside change the color, you turn it upside down, and then you add water. When your chicken turn into this golden color for both sides, all you need is to add the boiled water from the kettle. Yeah, and then after adding this, I think it's less water. I have to boil more water, but I'm gonna add this too while I'm boiling the other water. All you need is this big onion, very big one, and then you cut into eggs like this, so that can help this onion to get cooked faster and bring all out the ingredients we need. Yeah, that is it. And then we're gonna add some cloves, a little bit from cloves. Yeah, little bit. And this bay leaves. Yeah, bay leaves a lot. You get like 3 or 2, it depends on the water I put. And this cardamom, I'm gonna put it from this. Up you can see it. Yes. Something like 6 or 5, it depends, and that is it. After that you cover. So but for me I need to boil some water and add again. So like I said, I have to add more water because I want to stock some water for soup. Yeah, that's enough. And then I'm gonna cover my chicken until it's done. So guys, when it's boiled well like this, all you're gonna do is to lower the heat. You lower the heat and the lowest heat, and then cover it again. I wait until it's done. I overcooked it, guys. It's really softy, so you don't need to overcook it like this. I forgot it, so but it's okay. After boiling it, like I told you, you can either flip it in the butter and sprinkle it some salt, or you can eat it like this. Yeah guys, this is the end of our video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Bye bye.